Lead generation tools versus email outreach software. Which one is better for sales growth? Most sales teams get this wrong by thinking that simply sending emails can drive consistent growth. The surprising truth is that lead generation tools and email outreach software serve very different purposes, and using the right one or combining them can dramatically boost sales performance. Lead generation tools, like LinkedIn Sales Navigator, Apollo EO, or ZoomInfo, focus on identifying potential prospects and gathering actionable contact information. They help sales teams find the right decision makers, segment leads by industry, and even score prospects based on engagement potential. For example, a B2B software company can use a lead generation platform to identify 500 highly relevant prospects in a niche market, saving hours of manual research. This ensures your sales efforts target the most promising leads rather than wasting time on low-value contacts. Email outreach software, such as Mailshake, Lemlist or Outreach EO, is designed to manage and automate communication with your leads. These tools allow sales reps to schedule personalized email sequences, track opens and clicks, and follow up automatically. For instance, after generating a list of leads, a rep can send a tailored 5-step email sequence that nurtures prospects over weeks without manual intervention. Outreach software excels at scaling communication and maintaining consistent contact with potential buyers. The key difference is sourcing versus engagement. Lead generation tools identify and qualify potential customers, while email outreach software nurtures and converts them. Most high-performing sales teams use both in tandem, generate a targeted list of leads, and then deploy automated email sequences to move them through the sales funnel efficiently. The takeaway is clear: if your goal is to consistently grow your pipeline with high-quality leads, lead generation tools are essential. If your goal is to efficiently engage and convert those leads at scale, email outreach software is the better choice. The surprising truth is that the combination of both finding the right leads and following up strategically creates a powerful sales engine that maximizes growth and revenue.